World Cup 2023.
Or igama usihle Khadewe ngifunda e-CTC. My thoughts on the World Cup so far is South Africa had a bit of a rough start, and kule fixture ilandelayo I'm actually hopeful futhi nginethemba ukuthi sizodlula kolula versus Romania, and then the challenge is going to be Ireland. And then namanye ama group stages, but I'm pretty sure we're going to get to the semi-finals. And then izoba lapho ke inkinga yethu ke, but I'm really hopeful with South Africa ukuthi sizonqoba.
Hi guys, my name is Lutando. Really wishing the boys all the best. We started out really strong against our game with Scotland, and if we keep it up, I mean, we're at a tie for 3-time World Cup wins with the All Blacks. So really hoping we drive it home and get that 4th win and be the best in the world, literally.
neRomania angibona ukuthi inaleyo physically ukuthi ngakwazi ukubreaka inaphuzana eSouth Africa. Ngibona South Africa ukuthi imo dominant futhi ingakwazi ukuthi igcine iwinile iWorld Cup.
I'm having hope because we started the first week very well, and it reminded us of the 2019.
Yeah, ngilindele ukuthi win over South Africa because nami South African. I think so better in Romania because once sibuya from me win, obviously lokhu kuzosinika momentum ukuthi win ikhembe landelayo.
Gagasi FM, behind the box in the 2023 Rugby World Cup. Aibo!